you'll feel like you know what you're talking about. Global liquidity comes in these seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter. Again, I've covered these a lot. We are in summer. If you look at the summer periods of that weird mustard orange, we always have a strong market in liquidity. So that's debasement of currency that makes our number go up. Our number go up is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the benchmark asset. And again, we go further out the risk curve. Late summer and fall is all about the risk curve. We'll come on to that. But if you look at the mustard periods, it's always gone up in summer. In fact, so is the NASDAQ. All risk assets always go up. Election years, same thing. Presidential election cycle, all the same thing. And then in fall, we tend to have a good rally, and then we top out eventually. Twice it's been at the end of the year. Once it's been kind of towards the end of the year with that weird double top pattern, which I don't think will be repeated, but everyone has PTSD from. All you fuckers have PTSD because once it didn't extend, and everyone's like, oh my God, I need to sell early. I need to sell early. I get it. I will help you with this. You'll see some of the things, the indicators that will help you. I will try and get you to get that right. I didn't get it right either. I bought ETH call options at the high, expecting it to go. I mean, luckily it was only 5% of my portfolio. I get trolled on Twitter endlessly in the smaller stuff rather than Bitcoin. Smaller stuff, for me, the bets for me are Solana and Sui. But you all choose your own, whatever that may be. And that's fine. I don't want to argue about what tokens, what here. I'll leave that to you, but don't go out too much out of your ski tips, out of the risk curve. Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, everything else is more speculative. Remember that. So even when I talk about Sui, and I'm on the board of Sui, and so I am shilling it, but I'm actually not shilling it because I actually care about buying it in the open market myself, because I think it outperforms everything. You still shouldn't, if you're not a professional and you don't know what you're doing, God's sake, don't overweight this stuff too much. I don't want you to fuck it up because Raoul mentioned Sui a couple of times. Do not do that. Altcoins as a percentage of whether they're outperforming Bitcoin, blah, blah, blah. No, not yet. We're just starting. We had the basing pattern. Now we're going to start. Might be a bit more chopping around, but alt season is here. Lord Vishnu made it so. And if that is the case and it breaks the top, this giraffe is going out of the fence into the fucking moon. Smoking chicken fish is a meme I just like. It's funny. It's different. It's not a derivative. It has a church. It is stupid as shit. It's also quite clever. But don't follow me. Just do whatever you want in the meme coin stuff. I'm just showing how ludicrous it can be. But the giraffe looking over a fence pattern, Julian Bittle showed me this deep technical analysis pattern. You can sell the amount of fundamental analysis work that's gone into this analysis, 0, but the chart looks good. And I like the meme. Okay, Bitcoin. Where are we in the rally? Are we overbought yet? No. Nowhere near overbought. So you guys are like, when's the top? When do I sell? Calm the fuck down. Cycle tops finder. This spells calm the fuck down all over it. Just hold, do nothing, stop PTSDing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, I'm going to lose everything. Take some lifestyle chips off. Crow, any thoughts on XRP? I mean, fucking hell, every time. XRP, Cardano, XRP, Cardano. If I say anything, they're like, you bastard, I hate you. It's just like, I don't care. And that's my thought, is I don't care. I mean, I actually I think they've got a great business development team. They could do something big with it. It's amazing. It's not in my portfolio because it's underperforming everything else. So I am a mercenary when it comes to performance. All I want is the highest return on my capital in this 6-year period. And I will not get married to any chain. I want to get married to my P&L so I can unfuck my future. And I beg you, sure, if you like any of these dino coins, I don't say they're bad and they're not going to work and they're not going to get more adoption. I don't care. If you do, I'm so happy for you. Just make sure it's outperforming the price of Solana. If not, you're doing yourself a disservice. And he learned from me, but now he's like 10x better. Macro investing tool, that is a killer. So if you don't want to pay the full price for the Pro Macro, the macro investing tool, is part of. You can either buy it as a standalone product, or you just buy Real Vision Plus, and I think you should do that Black Friday. Don't say I told you. Um, if you think GDLC gets its ETF application to make it the first crypto index ETF, would that be a large bull catalyst? Crypto index ETF will come. Will it be a bull catalyst? I don't know actually. Probably. It probably helps. Jamie Aguirre, XRP is garbage. Sid, XRP. I'm like, guys, please, please. We can all own the tokens we want to own, and we all before the prices go up. There's VIP tickets left, not many. Honestly, we've sold, because this is Real Vision, we've sold more VIP tickets. No, it's about 50-50 VIP to normal tickets. It's insane. It's been a huge success. We are likely to run out, certainly of VIPs. So if you want to do the VIP experience, get that done. I think they'll, after Black Friday, they'll be gone. You've got the discounted price now. It's an amazing experience. I don't know where the hotels are yet, where we should stay. We're waiting for all the details. But Miami's full of hotels. None of this is going to be difficult. We can all career around town in Ubers and taxis. We're going to be doing an experience here, meeting, having drinks with somebody here. We're going to be going to a party where somebody's DJing. It's going to be amazing. You'll meet super cool people. I'll be hanging out. All the Real Vision team will be hanging out. All the kind of famous people. Had Sergio Silva, Sergito. He was here in Cayman this weekend. He'll be there. You're a delight to have in the community. We want more women in our community, please. SW, what's your view on total market size, excluding Bitcoin and ETH by February? 1 trillion by Feb. I mean, I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. I think the whole space gets to 10 to 15 trillion. 10 would be normal. 15 would be a blow-off cycle. AKCB, hey Banana Man, it's the Sultan of Banana to you, fucker. Thoughts on Polkadot? Well, look, Gavin came on Real Vision a few times and said he's rebuilding Polkadot. Feels like it's more of a next cycle thing, plus a bit of hype for this cycle. So, other than that, Dino Coin, but doing stuff like Cardano, they're doing stuff. XRP, everyone's doing stuff. So, I'm not going to take anything away from anybody. Warthog 500% this year from Kenneth Sinclair. See any potential? I don't know what you're talking about. You're talking weird stuff. Any thoughts on equities? Oh, finally, Anthony, somebody who's kind of more grounded. S&P. Yeah, look. Liquidity right, and Julian Bittle did not get that right. We expected ISM to have picked up earlier. It hasn't, but I think it will catch up. HBAR. I don't know. Don't really follow it. I know it's good tech. Don't know. Depends about adoption. Don't know. Brendan, will Solana come back down, test its breakout line? Don't know. If it is, it's a gift. Maybe, probably. Natalie Clark, again, another girl. Thank you, Natalie. We need more women in the industry. I know it feels a bit of a male sausage fest, but it's not really. Honestly, we're just really super welcoming. I wanted to buy some Lord Fishnu, but struggling to work out where to buy it in Australia. It's really simple. Your Phantom wallet that you use for Solana, or if you haven't got a Phantom wallet, get a Phantom wallet. Then you can swap it into smoking chicken fish. Again, it's not a trade recommendation. Small size of your portfolio. We're having fun here. We're not trying to change the nobody's seeing. And I'm pretty good. I'm honestly, if I'm good at one thing, it's this asset allocation. I got ETH in 2020, end of 2020. I got Solana 2022, 2023. I got Sui this year. I'm pretty good. If I've got one thing I'm good at, NFTs, I've bought a shit ton of really good NFTs. So let me just share this with you. Let me find you one sec. I'm just going to add it at the top of the comment section so you can all see. I'm not showing off my NFTs. I'm just trying to show you what I'm trying to do and how I'm trying to build it. But thank you for asking. Gabriel Alpha, Raoul, I would love to join Real Vision. Yeah, we're not really hiring right now, but be a community member. Who knows? We're trying to build a network here. Eventually, if you build some sort of tool or some research product and share it with the community, go to the group they produce and how they transact, also going to be vital for this to go to the exponential scale that's possible. Do you agree it's wallets for identity, crypto for transactions, and smart NFTs for capturing and transferring the value created by the agents? This is a great question, Ian. Something we would talk about in the Exponentialist, which is the research service about technology that I run. Um, I don't know. Do you agree it's wallets for identity? Doesn't need to be wallets. Just needs to be a proof of identity, zero knowledge proof that could be attached to a wallet, crypto for transactions for sure, smart NFTs for capturing and transferring the value created by the agent. Probably. It's a great question, Ian. It's a topic for another conversation for another day. Maybe if you're pro macro investor, a pro macro subscriber, I'm going to do more where I bring people on stage and we'll find like-minded people for you. We'll find you the best ideas, the best people, and you guys are the best community in the world. And together we will figure this out. There's the biggest macro opportunity of all time. We're all in this together. I'm not your guru. I'm just trying to figure it out. I get to speak to a lot more people than you guys do. I will just digest what I learn, bring it back to you. So anyway, thank you for your time. Thank you for those of you who are watching on YouTube and Twitter. I know I insult you. You are probably drinking Bud Light, eating Doritos, probably ranch dressing flavored Doritos.